have another Thanksgiving side dish for you. It is my green bean casserole, and I make it my way. So I first start off with the cream of sodium soup, the mushroom flavor. I have two, and if that's not enough, I have a third one to the side. I'm gonna put that in my bowl. A little bit left. Okay. There's one. And two. I used about 4 cans of green beans, but I saved the juice or the liquid that's inside from one of them, and I use it to thin out this a little bit. And then I'm going to add my seasonings, which pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to do just a little bit of that. And do pepper. And then I've got my garlic. And my onion. Then I mix all this together. And then here's where mine gets a little bit different. I cooked up some portobello mushrooms already. It's I think it was a 16-ounce container, and I cooked those up in some oil and cut them up and got them ready. And there's a little bit of juice left in there, and I'm gonna let that go in. So I have my mushrooms. And then if you saw my loaded mashed potato video, I have bacon. This was what the other half was for, but it's for my green bean casserole. So I've got the bacon. I'm gonna stir that a little bit. And then, of course, some cheese. I might save some of that for the top. We'll see. I have something to top it with. I can't wait to show you. All right, so then I got all this mixed up. It doesn't look too appetizing yet, but it tastes really good, I promise. I love this. And then I'm gonna go ahead, I hope my green beans will fit. I'm gonna go ahead and start pouring them in. Let me pour this out just in case. If I need it, I'll have it. But it's actually looking pretty good so far, so hopefully that doesn't fall over. Okay. Just stir all this together. It's looking really good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to the side a little bit because I have the little pan that I'm going to put mine in, because I'm going to go ahead and cook it in this and do my taste test, but then this is actually for my Thanksgiving dinner, so this is going into the freezer until then because it's still a couple weeks away. So I just wanted to make this for you in case it's something you'd like to try. So I'm going to dump this in here. Okay, looking pretty good, pretty good. Now I do normally do the fried onions, but I wanted to try something different this time, so I have over here some Parm crisps. So I'm going to put these on top, and I'm pretty sure that's got to be good. It's got to be good. And then I'll just put these on top instead of the onions. Oh yeah. And then I have my oven preheated to 375, and really I'm just warming this through because the bacon's already cooked, the mushroom's already cooked, it just needs to be heated through. All right, and there you go. Okay, I left the casserole in the oven for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, like I said, just long enough to heat everything through. So I took it out just a little bit ago in hopes that I can have it cooled off a little bit to get my bite, but let's see. That looks good. It smells really good too. I also want, let me get a little, I want a little crispy. Let's see. Yep. Still my favorite.